Arian stood at the entrance to the dark cave, a mystical compass in his hand glowing with an ethereal light. He had just restored the magical wishing well, and now, the compass guided him here to this shadowy place, which seemed to be filled with a profound sense of loneliness. "This place feels sad," he muttered, his eyes wide with curiosity. "What's hidden here?" The gentle voice of a narrator filled the air, a comforting presence in the oppressive stillness of the cave. It was the Cave of Forgotten Smiles, where laughter and happiness had disappeared long ago, the narrator explained. Venturing further, Arian discovered the chilling truth. Silently echoing around him were expressions frozen in time, faces that had lost their smiles for what seemed like eternity. Concern etched into his young face, Arian wondered aloud, how can I help them find their smiles again? The soft fluttering of wings announced the presence of a fairy, her luminescent glow casting away shadows in the cave. The fairy smiled at Arian, kindness emanating from her presence. "Sometimes, smiles are hidden behind sadness," she said reassuringly. "Only kindness can bring them back." Understanding dawned on Arian. "Let's light up this cave with kindness," he declared. First, he approached a boy sitting dejectedly in a corner, enveloped in shadows of loneliness. "Want to play? A friend can always make you smile," Arian offered gently. The boy looked up, his eyes lighting up at the unexpected offer. "Really? I've been feeling so sad," he admitted softly. As they began to play, laughter filled the air, and the boy's face lit up with a warm smile. Encouraged by this success, Arian moved on. Next, he spotted an old woman seated in the shadows, worry creasing her features. "Let me help you. Together, we can carry that basket," Arian offered with a smile. Surprised by the unexpected kindness, the old woman beamed with happiness. "Thank you, young hero. You've made my day brighter," she exclaimed, as her smile shone brightly in the dim light. As Arian continued his journey through the cave, he encountered more people. Each one, touched by his kindness, felt their hearts lightened, and slowly, the cave began to fill with the infectious warmth of newfound smiles. The fairy reappeared, her eyes gleaming with approval. "Kindness brought back the smiles, Arian. You've transformed the Cave of Forgotten Smiles into a place of joy again."
Pride filled Arian's heart as he observed the radiant faces all around him. Smiles are the light that can brighten any dark place, he realized happily.
The cave, once dark and oppressive, was now glowing incandescently with joy and laughter. "Kindness is the brightest light of all," Arian declared cheerfully.
And so, the Cave of Forgotten Smiles was rejuvenated, becoming the Cave of Bright Smiles, a place where happiness and laughter now reign.
Arian bid farewell with a resolute smile, "Let's share smiles everywhere." Thus, with the gentle reminder that even the darkest places can be filled with light through kindness, Arian charted his way back with a heart full of warmth.